It's not gonna hurt, puppy.
What's the name of your school?
Just tell him it's not gonna hurt. You're thinking about it too much. You don't think about it. It's not gonna hurt. I promise you. Look at me. Look at me. Look, I'm gonna give you $50. $50.
I don't want to.
It's not gonna hurt. I promise.
I don't care.
I promise.
I don't want to.
Come on, you have to do this. They're not gonna let you allow. They're not gonna allow you in school. You need it.
You know you have to do this to play sports, right?
Come
I
on.
don't want to.
It's okay. I promise you, it's okay. Just don't move. Just don't move. So she can do it quick. It's quick. Boom. You won't even feel it. You will not feel it. Don't move. You won't. I promise you. You won't feel it. Look. Look at me.
Please don't
Look.
move your
Don't
arm.
look. Just don't look.
No, no, no.
Stop. Don't
No.
move. Don't move.
No.
It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
That's the worst.
That's all. It's a little pinch. You're crying for nothing.
That was the worst. You are done.
Junior.
Oh.
Junior.
Oh.
She has to put the blood in there. She has to put the blood in there, Bobby. Come on. Yeah.
Oh.
You're done.
not bad.
It wasn't that bad.
You're thinking about it too much and you're looking. You're not relaxing. That's why she's talking to you. You have to talk so you can relax and you won't know when she did it. I'm proud of you. You did good.
You made it.
Better than last year.
He's 9 years old. I didn't think he was going to do this.
Now his insurance requires that you bring him back
Right. Like
to
10 days.
test. Mm-mm.